Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold, after making out of this particular range, I have told you that there will be an upside, and you have seen there is an upside after crossing a level of around $2483. Okay, because this was the range where we have seen it was moving for so long. Okay, if you look at the trend also, that whenever it is making in this particular zone from 2003, we can see that this is the level that if the range is breaking, we have seen a good upside. Similarly, in this range, it is now after breaking out of this zone, it has made a half around 2530. This is what we have seen. Now looking at this particular chart from two previous weeks, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Chances can be high that if the price keep moving above a level of 2530, a probability of more further upside we can see. Okay, and if the price keep moving above this level, a further high, because see, the price of gold is continuously moving upside. After 2015 we have seen, but it moves in a range for quite some time and then it makes an upside movement. So there is an upside movement and the price started going higher. Okay, so probability is less. If you look at this particular trend, see, it does not come in the previous zone. Mostly it does not come. See, this is the range first, it moved upside, now it was this range. Okay, similarly now it has moved out of this range and trading in this particular range. So probability of further upside we can see, this is what we have seen looking at this particular chart. So probability is very less that it can move below a level of 2153. Okay, looking at this 5 or 10 years chart, now it can go further high. Okay, or it can move in this particular zone. This is what we have seen in all the previous years. If you look at, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, see, if you are an intraday trader, you have to understand that you mostly think on the price action. Okay, and when there is a good volatility, you have to understand your quality, target, quantity, target, and the limit. Okay, so that your profit should be there. You should not be wiping out of capital. That should be your main motive. You should always try to take your profit home. If you look at the dollar index also, dollar index is continuously moving down. Okay, weakening the dollar. See, look at this particular price. At this particular point of time, we were looking that the price can go up, but it is continuously downside and probability is very high. We can see there will be a further downfall in the price of dollar index, and we can see the gold price can go further upside if the, because they are inversely related. Okay, and chances can be high, we can see it can fall below a level of $100. Okay, but if the price started going above a level of 103.5, then there is a probability it can move upside, but chances are very low that it can touch this particular level for this particular week. But if it started sustaining above a level of 103.5, then only you can see there will be an upside. Okay, so now the dollar index started going down, we can see the gold price can come up. This is the probability we can see. But if it started going above 103.5, then we can see there will be a higher chances that dollar index will move up and then gold will move down. Coming back on the gold chart, what we can see looking at this particular for the next week, see, there is a continuous upside we have seen, so chances are high it can go again towards a level of around $2532. Okay, and if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside we can see towards $2550. Okay, keep on trailing by $10 to $15. Okay, or if you are looking for a longer way, you can trail or hold by 10 20 to $30 or 30 to 50, because there is a good movement happening. When there is an event, there is a good movement of around $50 movement, maximum of $50. But if you look at this dollar movement, see this last week we have seen a movement of around $65 movement, $60 movement last week, and before that around $65 movement. So this is what the week movement we have seen. Okay, so if you are on a weekly holding, so you have to keep your SL to around 70. Okay, 60 to 70. And if you are holding day wise, so it is a $30 movement if there is less of volatility, and more of volatility is a different thing. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of 25.50, and if it started going above this level, we can see a level of 27.570 by 10 to 15 or 20 to 30, and as per your holding patterns. Or you can mail me, and then I can we can decide according to it. So but if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, you have to understand market is uncertain, so try to put your SL, okay, and try to trail your SL. This is what you have to do. Okay, so the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards a level of around 2500, 2503. Okay, and then to a level of 2500. If the price keep moving below this level, we can see a level of $24.87, and then to a level of 24, around 24.83. Once the price moving below this level, chances of going towards a level of 24.51 will be there. Okay, and then if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards a level of around 24.33, then to a level of 24.19, and then a further fall we can see in this particular range. Okay, so chances of falling below a level of 2400 will be there, and then a further downfall. So probability of going towards a level of around 2387 will be there, then to a level of 2378, and then further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm giving the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.